Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Hung Hom right now, and didn't meant to start this video, but as soon as I come in here and I saw a C train, West Rail Line C train, but this is actually a Tuen Line Phase 1 C train. It came over, so we're gonna take the C train and head over to Nam Cheong in this video. Just a quick connection out to the Changchun line section. Ready for the train to leave. We're gonna skip forward. Okay, so without any indications or the announcements, the doors just closed. So that's why you can see I'm actually I rushed there to start the recording again. So that's okay. Here we go. C train, West Rail Line. Alright, so East Changchun.
请勿靠近樂門，請不要靠近木門。Please stand back from the platform doors.
Someone is calling me, so that's why I need to decline the call in order to keep the recording going. East Changchun with a C train. C train's stopping spot on East Changchun and Austin should be a little bit better than the SP's. I don't know why, but yeah, that's just the case. Finally, more C trains on the West Rail Line for me to experience before the start of the Tuen line. Full line coming out later on. It's actually also a lucky call because as soon as I comes into Hung Hom station today, I just saw a C train waiting in the platform. So call you guys lucky as well because you guys can see some C trains again on the West Rail Line. Hong Kong West Kowloon station is closed right now, so that's why. Now I'm filming this right now. Now it's probably 11 o'clock in the morning, 10:52 to be exact. And here we are at Austin. More SPs. Now you guys should know that the C trains does not match with these. Oh my gosh, that's a terrible stopping spot. That was even worse than the SPs. SPs, it stops not exactly at the spot, but it should not have that big of a fail there. But at the C train's speed, the speed of the door for the C trains does not match with the outside platform doors. So we'll get off the next station, Nam Cheong. Alright, Nam Cheong. We get off. Really nice having C trains again. Now it's really weird that later on when the whole Tuen line comes out, there will be C trains and SPs. But I have different choices of trains I prefer on different sections of the line. For the Tuen line phase 1 sections, I prefer the SPs. But for West Rail lines, I actually want to take the C trains more. So I don't know what will happen later on. I should get off at Hung Hom and change. But yeah, here you go. Here's Nam Cheong. Let's get out. Let's see how bad or how good this stopping spot. That's actually pretty good. Nam Cheong, let's wait for the C train to get out of here. Before the C trains come into service, there are already news saying that there are C trains coming into Hong Kong. But a lot of criticism is saying that it just looks like exactly the C trains. It's just a copycat for this. A lot of opinions just saying that the C trains are just it's just a copycat of the SPs with a different color scheme, which I actually agree because this thing is made in China, so. Hope you guys enjoyed this C-Train video. Remember to like and subscribe down below. Click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Click on these videos up top. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!